How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2011 Chevy Malibu and I'm gonna replace the spark plugs. This is a 4-cylinder model and you guys saw me before doing spark plugs, but not on this car. So if you have a 2011 Chevy Malibu, I'm gonna show you how to replace them. First thing, air intake, I'm gonna remove it. So we just loosen up this clamp. Second thing, to remove the cover, we just gotta remove oil cap. Okay, twist it, remove it. When you remove the cover, it has another clamp in there, and you have enough room to put a long screwdriver. Make sure that you loose that one up. So that's how you remove the intake. Once you have the cover loose, you have to remove this clamp and then remove the cover. Don't forget to put the cap back on so you don't have any stuff going inside the engine. Now we just have to remove the coils and disconnect each coil and remove the spark plugs. This is really easy because you have only coils, you don't have cables. To remove the connector on this vehicle, you have a little clip here. Press it and push it out. Once this part is out, it's gonna get there. That's all the way. Inside has a little clip. Grab a screwdriver, put it in the middle, and you push it out. So basically you just have that clip pushing it up, and then connector is out of the way. And then do the same for the rest of them. Be careful with these clips, they can break easy on you. Now do that for all four, and then you're gonna replace the spark plugs one at a time. And on this case, you have a 10mm right here, and then you can remove the coil. Twist your coil, be gentle, then you can remove the coil. Set that one aside, then you can remove the spark plug and go to the next one. Spark plug socket. Once it gets loose, you can do it by hand. So we have the spark plugs in here. They don't look really bad, but check your owner's manual to see when you have to replace them. Right here I have the new spark plug. If you notice, I put a little bit of anti-seize because when I removed the old one, it was really dry in the threads. You don't want to mess up the threads. When you put the anti-seize, make sure that you put it with your finger, so you don't put any anti-seize in the tip. Make sure that you put it just in the threads, and that's all you need. I started by hand. Quick little tip for you. When I drop the spark plug, I drop it with this spark plug socket with the rubber inside, so you don't drop the spark plug and mess up the gap on it. If I tighten them up all the way, the socket is gonna get stuck inside. So this one, I use this one to drop them, and I used one for spark plugs without the rubber in it. With this one, I'm gonna tighten them up, so like that, it's gonna be easy to remove them. But that's what I do all the time, so I don't drop the spark plugs. One to drop it, one to tighten them up. Then I can tighten them up the spark plug with the other socket. Once you tighten them up the spark plug and you cannot go, it gets kind of hard to do it, just tighten them up a little bit more, and that's it. You don't have to go crazy on it. Put your coil back on. Make sure it sits all the way. Screw and tighten them up. Alright. And then just connect the connector. Make sure it locks in place. And make sure that the rubber, you can see right there, it has a green rubber seal. Make sure that you push it all the way so it's gonna seal, and then you lock it in place. So I'm gonna do the same for the other three. I'm not gonna show you because pretty much it's the same process. Okay guys, so all four spark plugs are being replaced. So in this case guys, I'm just showing you how to replace them. Make sure that you do it. Be careful when you remove it. Don't use impact guns because you're gonna damage the threads. If something happens to your engine, I'm not gonna be responsible guys. Just I'm showing you what I'm doing. If something bad happens, I'm gonna be responsible to fix it. So I hope you like this one guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.